Hey everybody, I'm sure I know what you're thinking here, more fun with bank bags. This one here we're going to mess around with these wafer lock ones. I did figure out how to open them. I cut a key, and there's actually a spring loaded thing at the bottom and it has to be pushed in for it to actually turn. So when I was just picking this one that has what I think is a key locked in it, I was able to pick it, but I wasn't pushing down, so I wasn't able to actually turn it. So we'll see if we can do that in a second here. These wafer locks, I guess they're really crappy locks, are easy to jiggle open, as you'll see in a second, but it did keep me out longer than the much better pin tumbler locks because I didn't know how to use them. So these locks here, though, they're not key retaining, which is how you can actually lock a key in it. You can actually just drop the key in, close it up, and then your key is now locked in there, so we'll have to pick that one open later. But like the Arco 7s with the pin tumbler lock, these are actually key retaining, so there's no way to get the key out unless it's locked. So unless you were to pick it, you can't lock the key in it. So a little bit different design. And so for the video here, that we'll pick this one. This does have like a mystery thing locked in it. I'm guessing this is the key, so I haven't cut a key yet, so I can just save the blank. And the way that you got to do this is you gotta just get something in there to press down. It's a little spring-loaded thing on the bottom of the lock. And then once you got it pressed down, it's just a little rake here, little jiggling while pressing on the mechanism, and opens right up. So not too tough to pick, as long as you can find something to get in there and push the thing down at the bottom. And there's a key, so that's actually an original key also. It's Chicago locks is what's on these things. We'll lock it back here. So, with the key, the key is just in there, it won't turn, but when you press it and turn, then it will. And similarly, when you're picking it, you jiggle, and that's actually picked, but it won't open. And after it's picked, it's picked now, and pushing down doesn't do anything when it's already picked. So it's a little more, I guess, a little more secure for a wafer lock, even though these are about the worst possible locks you could have on there. It's not much different than like a filing cabinet or something. But anyway, just wanted to show everybody how these work, and confirm it was a key in there, not like a super rare coin or something crazy like that, right? I don't think anybody really gets that lucky. But anyway, that'll do it for now, guys. Just like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and we'll talk to everybody later.